Question number 1. Pedometer is used to measure. Correct answer C. Ocean depth. Pedometer is a depth finder that uses sound wave to determine the depth of water. So C is correct answer. Ocean depth. Next question. In what way iodine can be separated from a mixture of potassium chloride and iodine? Correct answer D. Sublimation. Sublimation is a chemical process where solid is converted into a gas without going through a liquid stage. At standard atmospheric pressure, a few solids which will sublime are iodine, carbon dioxide, naphthalene and arsenic. So correct answer is D. Sublimation. Question number 3. Boyle's law relates to which state of matter? Correct answer is C. Gaseous state. Boyle's law, the pressure of certain quantities of gas on stable heat is inversely proportional to its volume. So correct answer is C. Gaseous state. Question number 4. Which of the following statements are correct about metals? Here correct answer is D. All the above. From the definition of metals, we know that metals are lustrous, good conductor of heat and electricity, high density, high melting point, malleable, ductile, and can be converted into oil solid at room temperature, etc. So here A, B and C all are correct answer. So D is correct, all the above. Next question. Chambered heart occurs in. Correct answer is D. Cockroach. Chambered heart occurs in cockroach. Question number 6. DRDL stands for. Here A is correct answer. Defense Research and Development Laboratory. Next question. Which technique is used to separate the substance from a mixer? Here correct answer is A. Chromatography. Chromatography is one of the most important techniques for the separation of a mixture by passing it in solution or suspension through a medium in which the component moved at different rates. Our next question. What is boron? Here correct answer is D. Metalloid. Some elements show the properties between metals and non-metals and are known as metalloids such as boron, silicon, etc. So correct answer is D. Metalloid. Next question. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because. Here correct answer is D. The ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. Question number 10. Which technology is used to squeeze water from a soaked cloth in the washing machine? Here correct answer is C. Centrifugation. This is centrifugation technique, or we can say that centrifugation is a technique used for the separation of particles from a solution according to their size, shape, density, viscosity of the medium or rotor speed. Next question. By which process can a seawater be purified? Correct answer is D. Distillation. Distillation is a procedure by which two liquids with different boiling point can be separated, or it is a process in which the component of a substance or liquid mixture are separated by heating it to a certain temperature and condensing the resulting vapors. Next question. A mixture of salt and sugar is known as. Correct answer is B. A mixture in which its components do not mix with each other and the distribution of components in different parts of the mixture is not uniform is called the heterogeneous mixture. Question 13. Which of the following is a mixture? Correct answer is B. Gasoline. Two or more elements of component when mixed in any portion so that the chemical properties of the components do not change, then it is called a mixer. So correct answer is B, gasoline. Gasoline is a mixer. Next question, due to which process dye rising when kept in water soil off? Correct answer is A, osmosis, a process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one is known as osmosis. So correct answer is A, osmosis. Number 15. The human heart is, correct answer is B, myogenic heart. The human heart is myogenic. For example, it receives the stimuli for a contraction from the muscular node called senoarticulus node or pacemaker. Sperm